You guys, what is my most welcome to the video. So today, I'm s- I haven't made videos like with my voice for a long time. So today I'm gonna make a video with my voice. So yeah, guys, I got like 8 or 9 cars. I have the Bugatti, the ATV, the Porsche, the pickup truck, the Mini Cooper, the Mustang, the Tesla, and the dirt bike. So that's maybe like 8 cars. Yeah. So now I just gotta get like up to 1 million. I'm saving up for like the for 1 million. So buying the Bugatti was not that hard. Unless you don't try, you can't like get any cars. So guys, try your best to get cars. And guys, you know the hack I used to do, the no clip hack. I just went through walls. That hack is just patched like yesterday. Ooh, free Bugatti! Yay! These people don't want their cars. Ah, you gotta take my Bugatti now, kid. Oh, I have level 3 engine right now, but I think this is like level 4 engine. Oh, the level. Yo, I have to rob it. I gotta rob it. Mm. So, guys, we are gonna find another. Um. Oh no, it left. This car suspension is like really high. So, guys, if you know that, if you guys will say like, if I ask you what's the fastest car, and you guys will say the Bugatti Chiron, it's not actually the Bugatti Chiron, which is what you can call Bugatti Chiron as well. It's not actually the Bugatti Chiron or Bugatti Chiron. It's actually the Hennessy Venom F5. You know why? The Bugatti Chiron or Chiron can only only run to like 463 kilometer. That's its highest speed ever, and 261 mph, and meaning 261 miles per hour. And guys, the what do you call it? And the Hennessy Venom F5s is like the kilometers. The kilometers is 483 and 301 miles per hour, meaning no car had ever accomplished of 301 miles per hour. Like it's the fastest car ever. And the second fastest car is the Hennessy Venom GT. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell. Even I have the ATV. Why this guy gotta go, bruh? If you guys don't believe me, see, see, but I don't want to ride it. I like my Bugatti. So guys, I am gonna find a way on like how to how am I going to so I'm gonna find a way how to get how to no clip again. Maybe. Okay, guys. Oh, there was a cop. Why would he like try to taste when the person's in the car? Or maybe he wasn't trying to taste me. Hmm. So guys, you never know. There is something on this road. Watch what happens to my car. Watch. Just this watch. There's like literally something on this. Wait, what? Or maybe guys, it got fixed. Or maybe it doesn't work with Bugatti. I don't know. Oh, oh, that was supposed. Oh no! I had to. What's going on? Oh no! Is someone even sitting? Oh, this time we locked it. Or at least it's still. Haha, you can't get me. I got the Bugatti. Come on, let's go. Woo! Okay. Let's follow this. Oh. So guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna break Bugatti in prison. I don't get it. What should I even do? This video is like a mess. Yes. I'm gonna go rabbit. I'm gonna go rabbit. All right, I'm going through it. All right, here we go. Mm. I'm getting even better in robbing. Mm, mm. Yo, none of my health went. Isn't that amazing? Get up. That was quick robbing. Oh, नहीं. हाँ नहीं बेचा. Oh, मामा कुछ बोलना ना. Yo, check this out, guys. My Bugatti's like, this glitch happened to me before. I don't get it. What's even happening? This is like one of the worst glitches ever. Like, bruh. Yo, it's gonna take me forever. I know what to do. I just have to get off the Bugatti. Now watch. He's gonna. Yo, that was kind of close, guys. Almost got arrested. Okay, guys, if you did enjoy this video, then please just smash that like and subscribe. And can we go up to 5 likes for this video? And yeah, if you want to send me for a friend request, then please do like and subscribe this video. Always like be active and join me with my games. I'm bruh. I everyone can join me. My question on my settings, everyone can join me. Like there's no one who cannot join me. Everyone can join me. Literally. Everyone can join me. Just join me, guys. You're gonna see a YouTuber like for the first time in forever. You're gonna see a YouTuber, guys. So yeah. Till next time. Peace.